Hello everyone. Welcome to hashtag Altered Index 2024. This is an open collaboration hosted by Nonstop Paper Crafts. So be sure to check her out. You can use the @ I'll have in the title or the description below. So this is where she pulls 3 prompts every Tuesday. Now I did not get this made on Tuesday, which is why you're seeing this Wednesday morning. I pulled everything out, but then I had an appointment and other things I had to do outside the house Tuesday, so I didn't get around to making it. Anyway, the prompts were the color orange, the thing leaf, and the word hopeful, which was a tough one because not too many. I found hope and hope and hope, but not hopeful. But I did finally find hopeful, just the word in these chit chat Tim Holtz books, because these are individual words and they're in black on white and white on black, and I think it was the second page. Yeah, see, hopeful. But I used the one with that was black with white print because the other thing that I used was a quote and a picture I found online. Um, I I had 3 or 4 different ideas on how to do this, and I was getting myself overwhelmed. Um, I was gonna do some ink blending and I wanted to use Stampin' Up's new peach pie color, and then I could just use regular plant leaves. I scrapped all that. I went for my fall stuff because I was thinking leaves. So when I was digging through my fall embellishment box, which is like jammed, I found a pocket letter in it that had these 6 leaves in the back, and I have this kind of leaf, these, sort of fabricy leaves like you get on a garland, but they're bigger from Dollar Tree, and these were just the perfect size. So I used 3 of these to bring in some orange and other colors. And then I have several fall paper pads. I do not need to buy any more fall paper for like ever. But I used this Woodland Forest Pebbles paper pad from in 2016. So chances are I got it in 2017 or 18. I used this piece just as a backing for the word and the picture with the quote. I used a little strip of the oak leaves, and there's a plaid that I must not have a scrap left of because I used some pieces that were partially cut. I did go around the edges with Stampin' Up's pumpkin pie and just a cheap sponge I cut into wedges so I can hold them. Some people put those little binder clips on, but I just find it easy enough to hold it like this and go around. So you don't have to spend money for expensive daubers and stuff, which actually these to me last a little longer, but daubers do give you a little more control, although you can squish these up and anyway, you get the idea. So that was last week. Sorry, I just put it there. I'm going to put it in my book. So, oops. Oh, and this hadn't been opened yet. This was in my embellishments too from Dollar Tree. And I just cut single strips off. And it was weird because I cut the same length, but this one ended almost at the end and this one went over. It's just, I guess putting them down with the glue, they spaced out differently. I don't know. I used one of these decorative brads by Echo Park of Perfect Autumn by Lori Whitlock, it says, and it has a flower and some leaves on it, a little yellow flower and some brown leaves, but hey, they're leaves. And then I know this wasn't part of it, but I've had these for a while, and it's orange, the fox is orange, and the flower has green leaves, so I took them off this metallic foil stickers, and it says Greenbrier, which means that was Dollar Tree also at some point. They don't have a year, so I know I've had them for a while though. So anyway, that's my project. I just glued down this strip on top of the background paper. I went around the edges with the ink. I used that orangier paper and backed the quote because that was thin paper. Oh, and it says, I'm not in love with the saying, but I liked it at the time I printed it. I hope I can be the autumn leaf who looked at the sky and lived. And when it was time to leave, gracefully it knew life was a gift by Dodinsky. And I put the word hopeful over here on a strip of that same backing paper with the brad through it. Now I didn't put the brad through the back. I just bend it over on the back of this, put a dimensional on this end to kind of even it out, and glue. And I did use Fabri-Tac to put these down and also these because I didn't feel like using my hot glue gun. So yeah, that's my project. We have some red and orange, or red and yellow, green, and orange, but orange is the color. And on the back, I did write Altered Index 2024, May 14th, 2024, week 19. The prompts that I already told you, orange, leaf, and hopeful. The host, and made by me Wednesday, May 15th. My desk was covered. I have more stuff I pulled out, and like I said, and I just didn't end up using it. So this goes in my book. Hopefully. I didn't add a lot of dimension. And initially I was thinking, well, I'll just put the leaves down and no bling or anything. And it just looked like it needed something else. So I went back and did it. And I'm not ready for fall because we're just getting into, I mean, we're in spring and, okay, why won't, oh, you know why? Because the other side has my transform heart. Oop, don't pull my bling up. There we go. There we go. So that's there, and then back in the beginning, I wrote in orange, Papermate Flare, orange leaf, hopeful 5/14/24. Checked it off as done on 5/15/24. So yay, this is really fun. It stretches, especially with the words. The other stuff I seem to do pretty good. I get ideas right away and stuff, but the words sometimes stumps me, but I think I did it okay. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. And I would definitely appreciate a like if you have it in your heart to do so. All right. Take care. Have a wonderful middle of the week day, and I will talk to you again very soon because I'm catching up on things today. Bye for now.